This lesson focuses on using piacere to describe how much you like or dislike something. We're talking about nouns and verbs. We already know that in Italian sometimes the sentences get reversed. So in this case, in English you would say I like something or I like doing something. In Italian, the sentence structure is mi piace fare or mi piace una cosa. The actual translation is, to me, it is pleasing to do something, or to me, it is pleasing an object, for example, the book. We know that the endings of regular verbs tell us who is doing the action. For example, penso, a verb ending in o, tells us that I am the one doing the thinking. Tu parli tells us you are the one doing the speaking. Lui or lei abita tells us that he or she is living. Piacere does not act like a normal verb in Italian. In fact, it is the extreme exception to the rules of all the other verbs in Italian. Okay? The way that we form piacere to talk about liking or disliking something, we take an indirect object pronoun. Mi tells us that I like something. Ti, you like. Gli, he likes. Le, she likes. Ci, we all like. Vi, you all like. And loro, they like. Okay? That is followed by the form of piacere. If it is singular, it looks like what you see on your screen now. Mi piace. To me, it is pleasing. Ti piace. To you, it is pleasing. And so on. To form the question, do you like? When we're talking about a noun, we say ti piace followed by the noun. For example, ti piace l'iPod shuffle? Ti piace il cappuccino? Ti piace il colore giallo? Now I want you to pause the video and have a go at making some sentences using each of the starts, mi piace, ti piace, gli piace, le piace, and le piace, the formal version, followed by one of the following nouns in the list. Do you remember how to make a sentence negative in Italian? If you said put non directly in front of the verb, then you would be correct. Let's have a go at writing some more sentences using piacere plus a noun in the negative. So with this, the indirect object pronoun is never ever separated from piace. Okay, never. To negate a sentence using piacere, we simply add non at the start of mi piace. Okay, we're considering that mi piace or ti piace is the entire verb in this case. Let's have a look. So I want you again to pause the video and have a go at writing 5 of your own sentences. Make them a little bit different to what you wrote last time. And now we're going to practice using piacere plus a verb. This operates in a very similar way to piacere plus a noun. To ask if someone likes doing something or to say that you like doing something, we have the indirect object pronoun, piace, the verb. And it just means, do you like doing blah blah? Okay, for example, do you like listening to music? Ti piace ascoltare la musica? Do you like drinking coffee? Ti piace bere? Do you like drawing? Ti piace disegnare? Now I want you to practice sentences using the conjugated forms of piacere, mi piace, ti piace, gli piace, le piace, and le piace, plus the nouns, the verbs, that are written here. The verbs that are written here. Parlare, to speak. So what it would say, mi piace parlare, I like to speak. Abitare a Dubbo, we know, means living in Dubbo. Ti piace abitare a Dubbo? Do you like living in Dubbo? Disegnare means to draw. Giocare a calcio, playing soccer. Andare al circolino, going to the cafe. Viaggiare, traveling. E studiare l'italiano, studying Italian. Have a go at writing those sentences. And again, we're going to do some practice of the negative. So remember, the non goes in front of the indirect object pronoun and piace. Mi piace, ti piace, gli piace, le piace, and le piace, followed by the verb, which is a verb. And I will check these in class next lesson. Arrivederci.